One of the easiest tricks I do with my clients is to get them to include more healthy foods, and in turn, that will start to push out the bad. So I never put my clients on a diet. Sometimes I might suggest things that they have less of, but overall the goal here is to actually really increase the whole healthy foods in your diet. And so finding different, tricks and recipes and meals that you really enjoy, that doesn't feel like you're on a restricted diet, then things will go really, really easy for you. And so today I have in my blog a superfood salad recipe that I think you're absolutely gonna love. It's a coleslaw. It's really easy, and you could take it to your next barbecue. You could make it for lunch. You could make it as a side dish for dinner. You could just keep it in your toolbox as something extra to really increase the nutrients in your day. And so these are the simple things that make the biggest difference, is including all of these healthy whole foods into your life. And if you go ahead, dive into this week's blog, you like it, let me know what you think. There's also an option to get all of these recipes in a printable version. The ladies inside the Compassers Nutrition and Wellness membership have access to all of these that they can compile into a recipe book with all of their favorite recipes from my blog. It's not part of the regular membership portion. It's just a bonus. That's not the main core content. It's just an extra side thing that they requested they had access to. And I love to put together special treats for my members. And so if you have been interested in joining, know that that is one of the bonuses that's inside waiting for you as well. But without further ado, dive in. This week's blog is called the Superfood Coleslaw recipe, and I hope that you enjoy it. I'll put the link here with the video, and I cannot wait to hear how you enjoy it. Talk to you later. Bye.